Today, I'm thrilled to guide you through the process of creating animated talking cartoon videos, just like this one.
Hi everyone, I'm Bunny. Are you ready for a fun adventure in the forest?
Hi, Bunny! I can't wait! What are we gonna do today?
We're going to explore and meet some forest friends.
Oh, Bunny!
I picked a purple one. They're so pretty together. Let's listen to the sounds of the forest. What do you hear?
I hear birds singing and leaves rustling.
That's right. Now let's pretend to be animals. Can you hop like a bunny?
I'm a bunny too!
Great job, Anna. Now let's pretend to be a big bear.
Roar! I am a bear!
This is so much fun. Remember,
If you choose this niche, you can create videos like this to attract millions of views and earn revenue. For example, this channel features simple cartoon talking characters and has gained millions of subscribers and income. I've developed a simple method that allows you to create similar content effortlessly using Canva, CapCut, Adobe Express, and a unique AI tool that I'll be introducing to you. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. In this video, I'll guide you through the specific steps I followed to create this animated talking cartoon video. We're going to follow 5 steps. Create a script. Step number 1. This is where ChatGPT comes into action. We'll use it to get content ideas. In the ChatGPT prompt, write down engaging script for Bunny and Anna's forest adventure, designed for preschoolers and lasting about 45 sec. ChatGPT will provide you with the scripts, which you can then copy and paste into Google Docs. After your script is complete, the next step is to create the voiceovers for the dialogues. Go to ElevenLabs. I will give this website link in description. Simply click the link in the description, sign up for free, and select the voices for your cartoon characters here for Bunny and Anna. This is the ElevenLabs interface to generate text-to-speech. Open Google Docs, copy the Bunny dialogue, and paste it into ElevenLabs to create the voice for Bunny. Choose the voiceover from drop-down and generate it.
hi everyone. I'm Bunny. Are you ready for a fun adventure in the forest?
And then go to download. Delete this text and copy and paste second dialogue for Bunny. Click on Generate Speech.
We're going to explore and meet some forest friends. Look at all the beautiful trees.
Download. Repeat the same process until you complete all the Bunny dialogue. After that, I'll move on to Anna's voiceover by copying the dialogue from the scripts and pasting it into ElevenLabs. You need to choose the another voice. Click on Generate.
Hi, Bunny! I can't wait! What are we gonna do today?
And then download this one. Repeat the same process to finish Anna's dialogue and convert it into a voiceover. Step 3. Create the cartoon characters with voice. As I said earlier, you don't need any animation skills, just take advantage of an AI tool. Go to Adobe Express. I will give the link into description box. And then from here go to Video. Click on Animate from Audio. Here, I will have 2 characters, Bunny and Anna. So for the Bunny, I will select Animals and go with this one. Click on Background. From the category this green background. I can easily remove the background. Size, choose YouTube. I will choose 16 by 9. Click on Browser to add Bunny first voiceover. Give few time to add lip sync to Bunny's voice. Download and play the voice.
I'm Bunny. Are you ready for a fun adventure in the forest?
Isn't it wonderful? and then click on Download. Repeat the same process to add all of Bunny's dialogue and sync the lips accordingly. Let's create Anna Character to go to Category. And then I will choose Category from Young People. Go to the browser and navigate to Anna's recording folder. Add the terse dialogue voiceover for the ElevenLabs. Play the preview.
Hi, Bunny! I can't wait! What are we gonna do today?
And then download. And then replace audio browse. Add the second dialogue voiceover from the ElevenLabs files. Give some time for create. I will create all of Anna's lip sync in the same way. To bring motion to the character, we will incorporate a silent voice recording dot. Click on record and after few seconds later click on done. It will take few sec to generate movement on Anna character. Let's play to see the character movement. Now we will create the silent movement for the new character Bunny, following the exact same steps as we did for Anna. Create animated background step number 3. Go to Create Design, then go to Video. Then scroll down, go to Magic Media. Then you will write your script for background for Village Forest. Scroll down. Choose Retro Wave. Choose Landscape and click on Generate Image. Right-click and set as background. Then change the style to create second background. Choose eConcept Art and click on Generating. And select the second shade. Click on Elements and from the search bar look for animated trees, birds, and flowers. Repeat the same way to add animated environment on second scene. Click on Share and download each background as a separate file and format MP4. If you do not like Magic Media, you can simply create the background like this. Go to Element and search Cartoon Background. Editing the video step number 5. First import the cartoon backgrounds and then Bunny and Anna character. Then I will add the characters one by one. So for the first scene I need to add Talking Bunny. Select the bunny clip and decrease size. I will add Silent Anna now. Move the Anna clip up to bunny clip. Reduce the scale. Now remove the green background. Select the bunny clip. Video remove background chroma key color picker. And then select Anna, go to Video remove background and choose chroma key. So select the bunny clip and go to Animation. And we will add some animation in. Choose Slide Up. So make that duration like 1 second. And move the Anna clip 10 frames forward. This stage your video should look like this.
Hi everyone, I'm Bunny. Are you ready for a fun adventure in the forest?
Let's move on the create second scene. Now Anna will start talking and Bunny will listen. Add Anna's first talking scene.
Hi, Bunny! I can't wait! What are we gonna do today?
Reduce the scale. I will add Silent Bunny now. Move it up. Reduce the scale. Then remove the green background for both clip by using chroma key. Repeat the same steps until you complete the whole scripts. Add stickers according to scene. Go to stickers. Look for birds. Look for trees. Add bunny according to scene.
That's right. Now let's pretend to be animals.
Now. Add bunny now. Go to stickers and find bear now. Add animations on each stickers. Add sound effects on each stickers when pop up. Go to audio and choose sound effects. Now add some effects. Click on Body Effects. Add text at the first introduction of Bunny and Anna. Add this text into Bubble. And this one looks good. So let's play this talking I'm Bunny, I'm Bunny. So, go to animation and choose an animation. Choose this one. Add duration 1 second. Copy the bunny callout and edit for Anna. So go to text template. Go to Titan. Choose this one and write down the title of this scripts. Then export. Let's see the final outcome.
Hi everyone, I'm Bunny. Are you ready for a fun adventure in the forest?
Hi, Bunny! I can't wait! What are we gonna do today?
We're going to explore and meet some forest friends. Look at all the beautiful trees.
Wow! I see some colorful flowers too. Can we pick one? I got a yellow one. What about you, Bunny?
I picked a purple one. They're so pretty together. Let's listen to the sounds of the forest. What do you hear?
I hear birds singing and leaves rustling.
That's right. Now let's pretend to be animals. Can you hop like a bunny?
I'm a bunny too.
Great job, Anna. Now let's pretend to be a big bear.
Roar! I am a bear.
This is so much fun. Remember, we should always be kind to nature. And all
You
the
can watch this
animals.
video if you want to learn more tips and tricks to create animated cartoon videos. I will upload more video like this. Thanks for watching.